So, if you're new to the camp life or an experienced RVer, plus tend to want a lighter travel trailer with a sleek laminate look, I have a series I'd like to go over with you. Hey everybody, it's Chris Young, and let's take a look at the Coleman Light LX series of travel trailers. A diverse lineup of floor plans, the Coleman Light LX runs from around 21 feet in length up to just over 31 feet. Regarding unloaded weight, they'll weigh in from around 3,700 pounds and go up to slightly under 5,900 pounds. Now, the Coleman Light LX is all about having a wide selection of floor plans, and as such, it's way easier to show you them by length. I'm going to start off with the couple focused 1605 FB. This travel trailer is a rear kitchen floor plan with the entire kitchen covering the back wall. You'll find a full-length pantry next to the door, as well as a spacious U-shaped dinette placed in a slide-out. The bathroom is surprisingly roomy and has a full-size shower. Up front, there's a comfy queen bed. Next up, we have a nice couple-centered Coleman Light LX, the 1705 RB. This is a rear bath with a bathroom spanning the entire back wall. The straight-line kitchen sits across from a booth dinette. To efficiently utilize the space, up front, you'll find a versatile Murphy bed that can be used as a sofa for chewing on some camp chat, and as a bed for two at night. Next up, how about another fine rear bath floor plan, the 1855 RB. This rear bath has a spacious bathroom covering the entire back wall and has a good amount of space with its wardrobe closet. You'll find a straight line kitchen, and two ways the 1855 RB creates room in the living area. A Murphy bed up front and the booth dinette has been placed in a slide out. Next, we have a family-friendly bunkhouse, the 2125BH. The 2125BH doesn't have a slide, but creates open space by utilizing a Murphy bed up front. You'll find double over double bunks in a rear corner and a convertible dinette abutting them. A straight line kitchen sits across from the dinette, and the bath is in the rear. The 2125BH also has an outside kitchen and can sleep up to 7. What's next is the unique 2155BH. Limited in supply, this Coleman Light LX adds a slide to pull out the dinette and pantry, but keeps the Murphy bed up front to add a lot more space. A pair of twin bunks sits in the off-camp side rear corner, with the bathroom taking up the rest of the rear wall space. The kitchen has an extra counter space with its L-shaped design. The 2155BH can sleep up to 7 as well. Our final Coleman Light LX floor plan is the only true rear living model, the 2605 RL. This model is over 31 feet in length and has two entry doors. The main entry sits near the rear of the travel trailer, opening up to a pair of swivel chairs placed on the rear wall, sitting below a large window so you can have some sweet outdoor viewing. The chair faces into the living area with its L-shaped campside kitchen and a large slide across from said kitchen containing the jackknife sofa and dinette. Up front, you'll find a walk-around queen bed with a solid privacy door, private access to the walk-through bathroom, and private access to the bedroom via the second entry from the exterior. For an economical travel trailer, the Coleman Light LX line has a pretty impressive set of features. For one thing, the Coleman Light LX models all have a smooth finish, that laminated exterior, and are light due to the aluminum framed walls and aluminum frame vacuum bonded laminated floor. Inside, you'll find a residential size 60 by 80 queen bed with an upgraded Rest Easy mattress, 13,500 BTU AC, and residential grade vinyl flooring. The Coleman Light LX kitchen comes with solid touch one-piece kitchen countertop, full extension drawer guides, high arched faucet, and a stainless steel fridge. On the Coleman Light LX exterior, you'll discover a power tongue jack, power awning, large pass-through storage, and a spare tire with its own carrier. Camping is something the whole family can enjoy together. With the Coleman Light LX, not only can you all camp, you can do it economically and in comfort.